Hi staff, today we are going to discuss cyberbullying, what it is, and what we are going to do about it. So first of all, cyberbullying is any kind of embarrassing, demeaning, threatening, or harassing material posted using electronic technology. So this can be texting, posting on social media, basically old school bullying, but some kind of technology has been added in. So some statistics, 7 of 10 teens have experienced cyberbullying, so that's 70% of our students. And then the other thing to watch out for is girls are most likely to experience cyberbullying. Social media is most often the main way that students will experience cyberbullying. So on Instagram, about 42%, Facebook was 37%, and then Snapchat was next, then YouTube with 10%, and Twitter with 9%. So what are the effects? What might we see our students experience, the ones that have been cyberbullied? So they might experience depression, may even lead to suicide, aggression. They might be tired of being bullied and become the bully. Poor physical health, and then poor academics. They probably won't show up to school, and when they do, they probably don't care about what their grades are. So this is what I shared with our students. In order to stop it, they need to stand up, let the bully know, and have courage. They can remove it. You can always request on those social media sites, report something and ask for it to be taken down, and then report it to us. So now what are we as a staff going to do about it? So first of all, we are going to have all students partake in an online safety course. That way they get to know the dangers of anything online, not just cyberbullying, just in general, what happens with online things that are posted. And then after that online safety course, we're going to start a restorative justice program for students who have been cyberbullied, were the bully, or just not just even cyberbullying, normal bullying as well. So that way all students feel supported and can get the help that they need, whether they were the bully or the one being bullied. And hopefully that this will combat any cyberbullying issues that we may have or normal bullying issues that we might have. So again, cyberbullying is any type of bullying that has an electronic component. What we are going to do is we are going to do restorative justice to deal with cyberbullying, and we're going to implement an online safety course for all students. If you suspect or have heard of any cyberbullying, please make sure that you communicate with administration and others around you. Thank you for listening.